Okay, so welcome back. In this lesson I'm going to cover some XSS persistent or stored attacks. So I'm going to click on persistent, add to your blog, and here put the script which you want to be executed. And click save blog entry. As you can see, the alert box has appeared on my screen. But down here you can see the entry with my login name. Now the script is actually saved into the website, and if I try to reload the page you will see the pop-up alert again. Okay, so let's see another example using the iframe tag. The iframe tag allows you to embed another page inside the current page. So I'm going to copy the code and here in the source put any site you want. In my case is hacksite.org. And click save, and now the website is embedded in this page. The reason why this can be useful is that you can put a malicious link or a login form and steal the user information. A very effective way to steal the user information is by using session cookies, which the attacker can compromise the user account, because in the session cookie is stored the login information. So the user can enter and leave the website without having to re-enter the same authentication information over and over. To give you an example, I'm going to use another script to grab the session ID. As you can see, the pop-up box with the session ID for the username admin has appeared. At this point, I can log in as admin using the session cookie. So I already saved the cookie into a file, and let's switch to my Firefox, and the first thing you need to do is install Cookie Manager. For that, click Tools, Add-ons and search for Cookie Manager. Now in the page, if you look in the right corner, you can see that I'm not logged in. So I'm going to copy the session and open Cookie Manager, and in the PHP session ID paste the cookie and click save. If I reload the page, you can see now that I'm logged as admin. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.